Have you ever wondered what your future would look like? I mean, will you become rich? Will you find a good partner? Or will you move to another country? Normally, people go to astrologers for answers. Like they look at your planets and birth charts and then they tell you stuff like Saturn is upset with you. But today, we live in the age of AI, and apparently, AI can also read your birth chart. So today, I decided to do something slightly chaotic. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to be my astrologer of the day, and we are going to test if AI can actually answer top questions asked by people to astrologers. What could possibly go wrong? Before we begin our astrology experiment today, let's talk about AI. So, AI is basically everywhere right now. It can write essays, generate images, plan a whole trip, or write an entire movie. Also, tools like ChatGPT can actually have an entire conversations with you. Like you type a question and it replies instantly, which makes me wonder if AI has access to all the information on the internet. Can it possibly be my astrologer as well? Like if I give it my birthplace, time, and date, can it read my birth chart and predict what my life would be? Today we are gonna test exactly that. And to make things more interesting, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT top 10 questions that people ask to astrologers. So I gave ChatGPT my birth time, place, and date. Normally, an astrologer would now look at my birth chart and planetary positions and all, but today we are letting AI do everything, which is actually quite impressive and slightly terrifying as well. So my first question to AI was, what does my personality actually looks like according to my birth chart? And this could be the possible first answer that an astrologer would give you. And according to ChatGPT, I'm extremely curious, natural communicator, and dual personality energy. It didn't have to be that accurate, ChatGPT. Moving on, my second question to AI was, what career is best for me? And according to AI, my number one choice should be communication and media. Second choice should be analytical and technical careers. And third one should be management and negotiation roles. So basically, the stars are telling me I can't pick just one career. Great. Question of career then leads to a very crucial question in my life. When will I be rich? And apparently, the stars are saying that I'm not supposed to be rich tomorrow. But the stars are also saying that it might happen in a few years. The fourth question of the top 10 list is, what will my love life look like? I'm really not ready for my love life right now or to discuss or to start it. But let's see what ChatGPT has to say. And according to that, I love you, ChatGPT. It also agrees with me. I will start my love life by early 30s or late 20s, to which I'm very pleased about. This leads to my fifth question, which is, when will I get married? So if I'm not ready to be in a love life, how am I supposed to get married? I don't understand, but usually people ask it the most. So let's see what's in my bag today. So basically, the universe is telling me to focus on my career first and then the husband will appear later. Moving on to question number 6, which is actually a question that I am most interested in. The question is, will I travel or move abroad? Because apparently my chart shows strong travel potential, which I choose to interpret as I will become a rich international traveler. Thank you, astrology. Question number 7 is that what challenges will I face in my life? To which ChatGPT has to say that number one problem in my life will be overthinking and self-doubt. Okay. Changing directions. We are all here. Late clarity in career. We'll see about that. And So basically, my biggest enemy in life is my one overthinking. Eighth question of the top 10 list is what is my biggest strength? And according to ChatGPT, my biggest strength is my brain, which is ironic because it actually causes all of my overthinking. What should I focus on in my next few years? And it turns out that I still need to do some skill development, career direction, exposure and opportunities, and personal growth. I don't get it how personal growth doesn't accumulate in career, skill development, and opportunities, but okay, I'll take it. You're basically telling me to stop panicking about the future and actually focus more on my skills. Which leads to my last question and overall summary of all of the questions that we asked today, which is what does my future actually look like? So basically, my early 20s to mid 20s are discovery time, to which I will discover a lot of new things and I will be making a lot of mistakes as well. But my mid to late 20s are my growth phase, and by late 30, I think I should have my stuff together, right? Real question is, did AI actually predict my future? To answer that, we'll have to wait for a few years, but if it turns out good, I'm gonna thank my AI astrologer. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you liked it. This is my first video, and if you want to see more videos like this, or you want to engage with me and make new videos or suggest some few video ideas, please share it in the comment down below.